Well, it looks pretty good in here. Looks like we've got a lot of bee activity. Looks like they're starting to build some wax in between the connectors. No, it was just a tight connector. Okay. Well, it looks like they're drinking down what I put in here. That's good. Now, in order for me to see what they're doing, I'm going to have to move these out of the way real quick. And then I'm going to have to work with a couple of these little guys. Some of these hives out and see what we've got. Now this isn't a good sign because these are all pincher bugs that are living inside here. That is not what we want. I can knock them all out, but that doesn't mean that they won't be back. So I'm going to have to do some research on how to get rid of the pincher bugs. Because if the pincher bugs are everywhere, then the bees won't be able to do anything. Now for some reason, these guys are getting stuck together here. I don't know why. But it definitely looks like they are building Yep, there's some new comb in there I can see. But I don't see a queen. Well, I probably shouldn't just be able to see a queen, but this is actually very heavy. Did you see that? There you go. That is all new hive that they're building right there. See all those bees? See all that brand new hive that they're building? That is beautiful. They're doing an absolutely wonderful job of building some comb there. I can see it's very tedious because it's so light that I'm afraid if I move it around too much it'll break. But what I'm really looking for is the queen box that we put in. And there's the queen box right down there. And it is completely empty, so that's a good sign. That means that the queen and everybody else that was in that box are not in that box now. And that's all I wanted to know was, is the queen out of the box? The answer is yes, the queen is out of the box. And things are looking good here. They look to be doing a very good job of building this comb. Now I've moved the comb so it's not in the same spot it was before. Just because I didn't want to squish everybody with all that extra stuff that was right there just now. And I'm going to just separate them up a little bit more like that. And now I'm going to just leave them alone. They seem to be doing good. 2 of these are almost empty. but the other two are almost full, which tells me that they're not doing too bad. They're okay on their juice. I am though going to take this juicer that I had, and I'm going to sit this one up here to give them a little extra juice until I get a chance to refill these guys. Now if I can get this last one in there without squishing anybody. Now we're just going to put this guy back in place again before they all start moving around and getting hurt there. And there we go.